Chocolate, sugar, butter, vegetables, fruit and even meat. With a 3D food printer, startup byFlow can print more than 50 different ingredients. Besides the fact that it's awesome, it can also help against food waste.
With this food, the food that has been thrown away because it has a little spot on there or because it doesn't look appealing enough, we can give it a second life with 3D food printing. So we can put it in our 3D food printer and print some beautiful dish for it.
And 3D food printing has more important benefits.
Can you imagine that there's people that have swallowing problems, so they cannot even eat food. They always are limited to Nutri-drinks or to puree, and it all looks disgusting. These people don't have fun anymore with eating. With 3D food printing, we can bring that fun back.
And thanks to byFlow's printer, the well-known Dutch food company Verstegen developed the world's first edible filling for a 3D printer. Smart, because not all restaurants have the time to make the fillings themselves.
They want to make it easier for, let's say, the middle segment of the horeca to also start with 3D food printing. So they came up with a vegetable puree. It is made out of red beets and cardamom, which is a herb. It tastes amazing. So they just found the perfect recipe together with Jan Smink, who's a chef at Libreie, to always be able to 3D food print.
byFlow is a family business. Nina works together with her brother and dad. And of course, that can be difficult, but it's also their special ingredient.
Because we're family, we can always rely on each other's trust. We have lots of respect for each other. We know why we do this. We all have the same goal, and this helps us during Christmas dinner, for example, to also have some quality time and to laugh and to of course always cry as well, but to really have fun with each other.
This year, Nina won the award for women-tech entrepreneur at the Decunista Awards. She's an ambassador for women in the tech world, and that's why together with a friend, she started the initiative womenintech.
Also on the High Tech Campus, where we presented during Girls' Day, how cool it is to work in technology in a hardware environment as it is here on the High Tech Campus. And how many women we need to build great technology and to tell the story if needed.
For byFlow, Nina has a lot of plans because the future is happening now.
We're able to build this future. We know we have to live here for another 50 to 60 years, so we better be part of it right now instead of waiting for something great to happen. So I think that's also the fun of being at byFlow.